Okay, as you know, we like to follow up on the picks that we send out. Last night we sent out this chart GPS, which is the gap store. You can see it had this nice wedge pattern. See the volume here? Certainly set up for a nice breakout to the upside. So since our system requires stocks to meet certain parameters before we'll enter them, you can see this one gapped down. We were only going to buy it if it broke out. And because the market was so weak, it did not do that. Let me go to the an example of what we do at our site. That ended up being a no trade. HOT, I'll show you why we played this one today. It went from 1568 about 5 or 6 days ago all the way to almost 24 in about 5 sessions. So it was overdue for a pullback anyway, and then you had a gap down because the market was so weak today. Then it formed this nice tight base pattern. These are 5-minute candles from today. So we called this as a short below this candle here, 2182. Our stop would have gone above this one at 2207. So a little over 20-cent risk on a almost $22 stock. You can't beat that. And you can see it just sold off and just stayed low all day. It actually gave almost $1 a share profit potential down here at its lows. So depending on how many shares you had, you could have had a very nice trade there today on very little risk. And that's kind of what we shoot for. Here's a smaller example of the same deal. Tyson Chicken. For some reason, E-Trade wasn't working for my first 3 candles on 3-letter stocks today. I can't explain that one, but that's what happened. So, Tyson put in this nice long base here. I'll go out to a 5-day chart real quick to show you. These are 15-minute candles. It was doing real nice, and then just bam, sold off hard. Was able to climb back up, but only this much into the sell-off. Then kind of pulled back, went sideways. Then today gapped down again. Now you had everybody from yesterday that was thinking, okay, Tyson's going back up to these highs. When it formed this base, every one of them was underwater. This was yesterday's trading right in here. So we definitely had some people in trouble, and we had a weak market on our side. So then back to 5s. Nice tight base. Its early low was 851. So we said short this at 850 once it breaks that low of the day. Stop above this candle here at 861. That's an 11-cent risk. And this thing rolled all the way down to 818. I mean, it's not a huge move, but percentage-wise, very nice move. I shorted it, scaled out on the way down, and it was probably my best trade of the day, even though it doesn't look that big. So these are the types of entries we look for. If you're interested, come click around the website and see what we do. We'd love to have you join us.